This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Karabiner Elements. First, download and install the application from its official website. After installation, you'll need to grant it necessary accessibility and input monitoring permissions in your macOS system settings. This crucial step allows Karabiner to intercept and modify keyboard events effectively. Once permissions are set, you can open the application and begin customizing your keyboard layout. To perform a basic key remapping, navigate to the Simple Modifications tab within Karabiner Elements. Here, you can select a source key, like your caps lock, and assign it a new target key, such as Escape. This is incredibly useful for optimizing common shortcuts or fixing uncomfortable key placements. The changes take effect immediately, providing instant feedback on your new keyboard layout. For more advanced customizations, explore the Complex Modifications tab. This section allows you to create intricate rules, such as remapping keys only when a specific application is active, or combining multiple key presses to trigger a unique action. You can also browse and import a vast library of pre-made rules shared by the community, saving you time and effort in setting up complex behaviors. If your modifications aren't working as expected, first verify that Karabiner Elements has all the required system permissions. The Event Viewer tab is also a powerful tool for diagnosing issues, showing you exactly what key presses Karabiner is detecting. This helps pinpoint any conflicts or incorrect configurations. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Regularly backing up your configuration file is also a smart practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.